Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn university physics using an easy method. Begin by building a strong foundation in the fundamental principles. This means truly understanding concepts like Newton's 3 laws of motion and the conservation of energy. Physics is best learned by doing, so consistent practice is absolutely crucial. Don't just read solutions, actively work through a wide range of problems yourself. Start with simpler exercises and gradually move to more complex ones. When you encounter difficulties, try to articulate your thought process. Discussing problems with classmates or seeking guidance from your professor or a teaching assistant can provide invaluable insights and clarify misunderstandings. To truly master physics, you need to visualize the concepts. Always draw diagrams, especially free body diagrams, to represent forces and motion. Try to connect abstract equations to real-world examples. For instance, think about a roller coaster to understand kinetic and potential energy. Using analogies can also help simplify complex ideas. Focus on understanding the underlying physical principles and the why behind the formulas, rather than just memorizing them. Consistent review is essential for long-term retention in physics. Regularly revisit your lecture notes and textbook chapters, perhaps for 20 to 30 minutes each day. Creating concise summary sheets for important formulas and conceptual definitions can be incredibly helpful for quick reference. Actively identify areas where you struggle and dedicate extra time to them. Maintaining a steady study schedule, even if it's just a short session, will build momentum and reinforce your learning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.